Hello! Merry Christmas! It is officially Christmas Eve, and just so you know, I love me some Christmas Eve festivities. It is literally like my favorite time of year, except for Halloween. Christmas Eve is like number 2. It's just that warm and cozy feeling that you get inside when you have really good food with your family. Yes, nothing beats it. And I just want to say I am so thankful for all of the amazing things I got this year as far as collaborations. And we're going to go ahead and unbox the Casebang collaboration, and it is so beautiful and so Christmassy, so let's get into it. So the first thing that they sent was this beautiful case with a bow and some accessories. These were my top 2 favorite cases, and then we also have some other accessories to go with the case. So let's go ahead and make some Christmas magic. The model for today will be none other than my 17 Pro Max in white. And I know that all of these cases are gonna look so beautiful on the white phone. Starting off really strong, we're gonna put the case. That way we can look at all the other accessories that we have. We have this very beautiful black and clear case, and it has a little bow at the top. It is so cute. And what I love about this case is that it has little hooks, so you can hook a little charm or a little accessory to the sides. It gives you ultra customization. And this is how we are looking with the beautiful bow case from Casebang. It is extra cute and I cannot wait to dress her up. From the moment that I seen this case, I was wondering if I can put my little Pin for Love Labubu on here. I am wondering if it will fit. No way, it fits. I can't believe it fits. Yeah, she's staying on this case. Maybe not for the video because I think she might get in the way, but I will be putting her back and she will be staying and spending Christmas Eve with me. This case is extra cute and I could not say no. I had to have it. We have a little Stich moment here celebrating Christmas. It is adorable. Also, I really love the packaging. It's an outfit for your phone, so they put it on a little hanger because it's an outfit for your phone, and we are about to switch up the wardrobe. This is too stinking cute. I love the texture details on here, how it's mattified, but the rest of the phone is in a glossy clear. The attention to details is top-notch all the time at Casebang. And if you've seen my other Casebang videos, then you know this is my favorite part. Yeah, the way it just snapped on so easily, and if I feel like I need to change it, I just pull it off and just snap it on. Literally one of the best inventions in the history of phone cases, right here by Casebang. But can we just take a look at how darling this case is? I am in love. I do appreciate a very cute little Stich, and this Christmas Stich is super cute. One of my girlfriends is already obsessed with this case. She's an adult who is obsessed with Stich, so I think she's gonna be getting this one. It's so cute. How could you not love this? Next up, we're going with my super favorite one. This right here with the pink snowflakes. It's pink snowflakes with some glitter inside, and I'm telling you, these designs are so cute. Nobody does it like Casebang. Out of all the Christmas cases that I've ever had, this is by far my most favorite. It's just giving soft girl aesthetic. It's very simple and it just has my heart. It has just the right amount of glitter, and the clear with the snowflakes overlay is just the right minimalistic vibe. And I think right now is the perfect time to show you the accessories that go to match these Christmassy cases that I have. I couldn't wait to get this one out. Right out of the box, I'm in awe, and I haven't even seen it with my own eyes. I only see it from the camera, and it is shining and blinging. You saw that? Because I did. And your eyes aren't playing tricks on you. These snowflakes actually move. This is gonna be my favorite charm. I don't know if I'm ever gonna take this one off. Like, it'll be summertime and I'll still be swinging my little snowflakes around. Isn't that just so beautiful? It's so cute. I have never been so happy to have a little phone charm. It's just way too cute. And now the good thing about this case is that you can just snap this right on. So I am going to snap on one here. You cannot tell me otherwise. This is the cutest thing. I live for this. This is like a little clutch on the go, all right? You just need to work with me on this one and see the vision. It is just too cute. And of course, to tie it all together, we have the little moving snowflake phone grip. Isn't this just the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm obsessed with glitter. You guys know that. But when the glitter starts moving, I will play with this all day long. You guys just don't know how big of a deal this is to me. It's just so interesting. So we have our little phone grip, and you can also prop it up to use it as a phone stand. And the Casebang cases are also Magsafe, so you can just pop it right on. Look how cute this is. I could play with this thing all day long. That went on a lot quicker than I was expecting. I wasn't ready. And all we have to do is just snap it right on. My phone is looking like a winter wonderland. And I am just so here for that. Okay, next up we have this holiday themed box with stuff in it. I haven't actually opened it yet, so I'm not sure what's going to be inside here. It is going to be a Christmas surprise for me as much as it will be for you guys. Also, presentation by Casebang has always been top notch. Okay, are you guys ready? Because I am. Oh, they're so secretive. I was expecting to see what's in the box. No, they want to keep it a surprise. But it does show down here that these are back plates and that there should be 3 of them. And then there is 1 base case here. So let's go ahead and go with the base case because we always need a base case. No, I got a pink one. My friends at Casebang know that I have to have pink always in my life. So I got here the pink. It's like a soft pink, almost touching like a nude vibe, like a nude pink. It is so cute. I love this case. This case is so cute, and it's always a first pick for me when I go looking at Casebang's website because I'm always a pink girly. Let's try it on with the white 17 Pro Max. This is already a vibe. Without the back panel, I could literally just wear the case like this. She is vibing, okay? But let's put on one of the 3 back panels that they sent inside the holiday gift box. We're gonna go ahead and start with the last one in the box. Oh, those are little gingerbread men. These are little gingerbread men. Gingerbread men have been like the vibe for 2025. This is so cute. I love when people have decor of gingerbread men everywhere. It is the cutest thing. I don't necessarily like to eat them. I like to look at them. They are just so handsome. Look at this gingerbread man. Isn't he just the cutest little thing? Also, you get that premium texturized feel of the matte coating for the design with the glossy clear back. And from my experience with Casebang, these backings that are clear do not yellow. I've had these last year for my iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro, and let me tell you, the quality is top notch all the time when it comes to Casebang. This is the second back plate that came inside the holiday gift box. This one actually really matches the Snowflake phone stand that I got. This matches extremely well. Let's go ahead and try her on. I love that. Wait a minute, because now I'm just like really excited. Hold on. Look how cute this is. The whole set. And I definitely cannot forget to put my little moving snowflakes as a charm too. If you don't have a case like this that has the little corners for the charms, Casebang thinks of everybody and everything, so not to worry. They also sent these little hooks that you can put into your charging port. Even though it hooks into your charging port of your case, the hook itself does not get in the way of the charger because it is metal with a little bit of a bend to it, so it goes directly to the back of the case without you having to fidget. And I love how Casebang just thinks of everything. Alright, let's move on to the last back plate that I have from Casebang. Ooh, it's pink! You know, I vaguely remember circling all of these as my favorite when I was talking to my friend from Casebang, and I'm realizing that She told me to pick 2, but she sent me all of them, and my heart is so warm because this is like a Christmas present for me, and I absolutely love every single one of these. Look at how cute. Oh, and it's texturized. Look how cute, the pink Christmas vibes. My heart is touched. Oh my god, that is just so cute. It matches perfectly and it's just adorable. I feel like it kind of matches my whole aesthetic. You know, the pink Christmas trees. Look at the pink Christmas sweater design on this. Isn't it just the cutest thing? My pink and girly Christmas aesthetic is just coming to life by Casebang right now because this is just the cutest thing. Now, the hardest part for me is trying to figure out which Christmas case am I going to wear today for Christmas Eve. I'm gonna be home for Christmas Eve, so I might just fool around and switch them up by the hour. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I want to give a huge shout out to Casebang for always thinking of me when it comes to collaborations, because I truly enjoy unboxing and showing you guys some Casebang, because honestly, it is just the ease of switching cases up for me. Whenever I'm tired of a case, as it does happen because I can be very indecisive, I just put another one on just like that. Casebang really helps me keep the vibes flowing all day long. So no matter what outfit I'm wearing, I know that I can always keep it matching with Casebang. You guys, I'm just really into the texture of this one right here, even though I don't know if I actually even have a favorite between all of these. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to go ahead and click on the like button down below because that helps me out so much. Also, subscribing is a great way to support me as a small creator. Let me know which one of these cases from Casebang are your favorite in the comments below. I will leave the links to all of these cases from Casebang in my description box. Bye!